Are you interested in trying your hand at kayak fishing? Choosing the right kayak is key to making your experience on the water enjoyable and successful. There are 4 main types of kayaks to consider: sit on top kayaks, sit inside kayaks, pedal kayaks, and inflatable kayaks. Sit on top kayaks are a popular choice for their stability and maneuverability. They also offer plenty of room and comfort for long fishing trips. Sit inside kayaks offer better protection from the elements and can be faster and more efficient to paddle. Pedal kayaks allow you to move through the water without using your arms, making them a great option for those with limited upper body strength. Inflatable kayaks are lightweight and easy to transport, making them perfect for hiking to your fishing spot. When choosing a kayak for fishing, consider the storage, space and weight capacity to ensure you can carry all your gear comfortably. Look for comfortable seating and adjustable footrests for a comfortable ride. Try out different types of kayaks to find the one that suits your needs best. Choosing the right kayak for fishing is essential to having a great time on the water. With the right kayak, you'll be able to explore new areas, get some exercise, and catch some fish. Happy fishing!